Hello humans, welcome to TechTubers. I'm your host and दोस्त जिन. So पिछले वीडियोस में हमने बात की थी what is AI, what is ML, what is DL and what is cognitive learning. So in this video we are going to talk about what are the differences between AI, ML and DL. So without wasting much time, let's start. So friends, I think you are here to know what are the differences between AI, ML and DL. So you are a little confused. So after this video, your confusion will be resolved. So watch till the end of this video. So friends, what is AI? AI is a thing that can act like a human and think like human, like artificial human brain. It thinks like a human and it can do the things that human can do and even human cannot do. So, AI is a super domain where DL and ML are the subdomains of AI. You can say that with the help of DL and ML and many other stuff, we can make an AI. But with the help of AI, we cannot make an ML and DL because the ML and DL are the subdomains of AI. So, AI is a super domain which can think in many domains like we can take one example of a Google Assistant. It can do search for us. It can search the specific place for us. It can play music, play video games, and much more. So it is a weak AI, where strong AI is not invented till now. So weak AI is the AI that can perform in a certain domains, that has a limitation to think the way it inventors think. So we can say that AI or Google Assistant is a weak AI. It cannot perform the much task like a human, but it can play the certain task and it can perform many tasks. So friends, what is ML? ML is a part of, we can say, AI that can perform data operations, and we can give a raw data or a label data to it, and it can compute the data and convert it in a fruitful output. So friends, what is DL? When ML has limitations to perform a task on a huge data or unlabeled data, but DL has no limitation. It can perform many tasks on unlabeled data, and it can compute the huge amount of data in a small period, in a small time, where ML takes the years to compute the data. DL takes the hours or a minute, we can say, to compute that data. So you know the differences between AI, ML, and DL. AI is the superdomain, where ML and DL is the subdomains. AI performs the many tasks, but ML and DL can perform certain tasks, which it can made for. And ML and DL are the subdomains, as it can ML can perform tasks on a labeled data and small amount of data, where DL can perform a task on a huge amount of data and its computations are fast, where AI is the super domain. It can do both for the which can be done by ML and DL. So AI is the costliest thing. When we have to make an AI, we have to implement many things. We have to compute many types of computations and we have to do a lot of work. So when we have to make an AI, it's costliest. But when it comes to ML and DL, its costs are less. And even you can make your own ML and DL programs if you know about programming and all other stuff. So friends, in the AI, we need more hardware and more hardware systems and supporting systems. In ML and DL, we need some less specification systems for it. So now you know the differences between AI, ML, and DL. So friends, this is the differences. Yes, these are the differences, but we cannot differentiate AI, ML, and DL because AI is the super domain where ML and DL is the subdomain of it. So These are not comparison, but this is the differentiate. We can differentiate it, how they works, how they post, and how we can make it. So friends, in our next videos, we are going to talk about much more, and not in AI, but we can talk about any other stuffs. So friends, stay tuned for next video. If you have any query, just comment down below. If you like this video, press the like button, and if you love this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.